Trading in bitcoins or other digital currencies. The two investment strategies. Strategy number 1, the arbitrage strategy. Strategy number 2, the buy and hold strategy. Method 2, Bitcoins trading. The concept of investing in bitcoins is very easy. The main idea here is to buy when the price is low and sell it off when the price is higher. You will find that both investing strategies that we touch is based on the above concept in order to profit. How to get started. There are numerous Bitcoin exchanges online that you can join to trade Bitcoins. One of our recommended Bitcoin exchanges online is btc-e.com. Strategy number 1, the arbitrage strategy. The arbitrage strategy is a very simple way to make money with Bitcoins. What you need to do is monitor the Bitcoin or crypto charts closely and buy Bitcoins at a very low price, and then when the price shoots high, you sell it back. The good news is that at btc-e.com, you can do all this automatically where you can place your buy or sell orders at the price that you want. This strategy is very simple and you can profit from it almost daily as long as you follow a tight strategy and do not get too greedy. It is recommended to start small first and get used to the movements of the digital currency's price before investing big dollars. Strategy number 2, the buy and hold strategy. The buy and hold strategy is based on the belief that in the future, the price of the digital currency, mainly bitcoins, will be higher than the price is now. In fact, many investors are collecting bitcoins like a cult and not selling at all. They believe in the future the price of bitcoins will be 10 times or 50 times more than the price is now. Some of the reasons why a lot of people believe that Bitcoin's price will keep going up in the future is because it is rare and limited to only 21 million coins. The mining of Bitcoin is getting harder day by day. All this means is that its rarity will cause the price to go way beyond what we've seen today. Another reason for the price increase is that the demand of Bitcoin will only increase due to the fact that you can save on transaction fees. When you pair rarity and demand, it is no wonder why many people are sticking to the buy and hold strategy. Throughout history, the people who made the most money out of Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies was achieved via this strategy.